The new HR policies have been devised keeping in mind maximum satisfaction and employee work-life balance. Employees will now have the opportunity to have a mid-year developmental session with their supervisors where they can discuss their aspirations, training needs, and a development roadmap for themselves. Employees will be provided with cross-functional opportunities. They'll be allowed to work in various departments and increase their skill sets, hence increasing their job opportunities. Performance evaluation will now be conducted on a tri-monthly basis, and each employee will be given individual feedback from their supervisors. Performance appraisal bonuses will focus more on monetary compensation and bonuses rather than non-monetary bonuses. Work environment at Foxconn. We believe that earlier, the working hours were too long for employees, making it too stressful and having an imbalance in their work life. We'll now be launching a new work schedule for our employees. This work schedule will comprise of 3 shifts in a day. Each shift will be of 6 hours and each employee will have to choose one shift. Employees can change their shift after 6 months. Discrimination and diversity at Foxconn. Foxconn believes that their workforce diversity is their greatest strength, and hence we believe in an affirmative action policy and have provided equal employment opportunity to all our employees. Foxconn Whistleblowers Policy. Foxconn believes in a corruption-free and transparent work environment, and we expect the same from our employees. To ensure that there is transparency and corruption-free environment, we have launched a new framework for whistleblowing. Employees can now whistleblow against the organization and ensure that they are in no danger of losing their job or any personal problems. 100% anonymity is the centric for this framework. Each employee will be given a special code which will be known only by a few selected personnel at Sourced.
Created using Powtoon.